one thing we don't have is a lot of money into this thing, so we're going to put it out there. Watch the video, tell me what you think. Get in there in your key sword and tell us whether it's worth fixing or just get rid of it. Is it worth our time and effort? Should it be revived? Has it got any life in it? Or is it just going to cost us a whole bunch of money and time and not actually be worth it? Let's get this out of the way. Yeah. Just get in here, get up here. One thing I just noticed, if you can see it, that's a big crack in the windscreen. That's awesome. That's more money. Because they're going to see that when I go to get it pitted. So you're not going to pass. She's not going to pass. Not with that anyway. So yeah. Cool. Let's have a look at it. They're out here in the dark rooting around. So we have a look around here. What do we see here? 3.6. Dung dung. Oh, here it is. Here it is. I haven't really got time for a proper walk around today because I've got to get this race bus I borrowed because the Ute's still not got an exhausty doodah thing on it. This is it. I think we've got a name for this one. It's Common Thor. Good old Common Thor. Because she common for a Commodore, but Thor because she's a jigsaw. So she came with a few spare bits. Yep, great. Boot's full of bits too. Engine bay has nothing in it. That's why we have works for you Ute here. Because we've got this monstrosity to try and put into it that hasn't been sitting out in the weather fucking God knows how long, and who knows what we're going to find wrong with it. An exhaust over there too. Box of bits. Plenty of bits, so clean up, sort out, and then we're into it, I guess. Slowly but surely. But yeah, that's it. That'll cover it in a minute. Yeah, spare tyre this time. Dark and God knows what else in there. Got an alternator. Yep, good. Yep, that'll do. Well, here it is. Common Thor. What have we got ourselves in there? Yeah. She needs some work. She really needs some work. Come over here and have a look. Let's get in here. So, last night we got dark by the time we got back, and we ran the Ute back, and let's have a go at it. We'll get in here and have a look. So we've been raided a bit for parts, I think, and this tour is kind of just, we've got to assess our life decisions here and make a decision on this thing, what we're going to do with it and where we're going, because yeah, all we're finding is pain and suffering. So yeah, there's all the parts are out of it. The interior's okay, I guess, if I can focus and stuff like that. It's, you know, it's dirty. We found all the parts in it and got all them out. There's a mat there that can just stay there for now. You know, the seat's been yoinked out. Someone's had a crack at raiding it for parts. Like, there's no window for the glass in here. So we need to at least stop the weather getting in here. It's summertime, so it's been nice, but yeah, the body's reasonably straight-ish. There's a bit of a bing in the door there, we can see. This quarter panel's probably had some, you know, handy mechanic work, you know, leaning in there or something like that. You can see just though that someone with real skill worked on this, because they've just got their fingerprints like all over it, if you can make that out. Yeah. So she needs a good clean up, detail. That's the least of our concerns, but because we've got this couple of bits missing from here. Someone decided to pretty much raise every fuse and relay out of it. I don't have a little box with those. And this wiring loom kind of looks okay. We give that a bit of a once over. It's sort of, you know, all seems to be there, so that's a positive sign, I guess. The AC got yoinked out, so that's going to be degassed or whatnot. Notice this power steering line's been nicely bent and out of whack. Get you over in here. This is just like a banana, this condenser, so that's pretty much wrecked. You can see it's probably had a few bangs on the engine on there, so that probably needs to be replaced. We didn't get a radiator, we didn't get a fan shroud, you know, electro dizzy fanny fan Judah thingy. We didn't get no headlights. The bumper's there, you know, it's in okay shape, I guess. We did have we did pick up, we got the light for that, so that was alright. The rear view was there, but it's got no window for the glass. We've got this window stuck half down, obviously we've got no power, so we might be able to put some power to that and wind that one up. That's all in there, but we were in here raiding something out of here, and the console here is just a mess. Just a mess. I don't think I've got this trim piece that I noticed. I might do, because there's a couple of little bits there. We've got plenty of screws and bolts and nuts and doodahs in there. Good score. This was a good score. We've got a 15mm ratcheting wrench. Yeah, we can charge our phone. That's going to be good. Just need to power up. But yeah, we've yanked all that out. So some trim missing in there and stuff too. By the looks of it. I've got a pile of trim there, so we might be okay there. Steering wheel doesn't look too bad. I mean, interior overall will clean up, I guess. That's one thing. Let's go back in the engine bay. Major concern I did find actually, which we skipped over. I haven't got this bumper sitting in the best spot to get down in here, but anyway, we got some breakage here. This one's just snapped off. I did find this piece in there and wonder where that broke off from, so that's gonna be great. Steering kind of seems intact aside from that bent line there we found. Yeah, the tyres are just the tyres. They probably need to be replaced. Definitely the back ones were. I don't know. We might get away with that. We might get away with one or two tyres. The lights on the back are okay. Let's flick up the boot here. I've taken most of the parts out. This was absolutely jammed full, but it's just got some extra accessories in there. We didn't get a battery. I kind of knew I wasn't going to get one of those, but we've got the clamp later to go in there. We've got some sort of air cleaner that we can throw out. Look at this, we scored a bunch of computer cables. Yeah, for like a PC. That's good. That bit's there, so nothing was down in the spare tyre hole. I was hoping that we might have found a few goodies in there, but wasn't anything there. We did get a spare tyre. Yeah, so we've got to just evaluate our life decisions and figure out whether we're going to actually do anything with this. There's a little bit of body damage here. That should buff out. That'll buff out, that's fine. We've got to really clean it, I guess, before we can see all that. There's a bit of a scratch there, if you can make it out. Yeah, we can see that. But, yeah, we've got a mag. We've got one mag. Nice. Brakes look like they'll probably need to be done. Rotors are, you know, clean up with a bit of a single lug. That's just, yeah. There's not a lot of bad there. Probably just enough to test her out for a bit, I guess. You know, like I said, what we did last night, we just cleaned her out and got this shed full of bits. And Yeah, we didn't get enough bits really, so I haven't got enough bits to put a car together, that's for sure. Only about 79%. Yeah, got an alternator, got a condenser, there was a starter on there. This timing cover. Oh. JB World patch up bodginess there. Awesome. So that's great. That's yep, that's good. This just is filthy dirty. There's like bits of crap in there. Just a mess. So, and it's also been sitting out, so there's all sorts of crud in there. So it's not really well maintained. That's for sure. Plenty of murky bagurkies. These rocket covers were just sitting there. I didn't get any hardware for them either. And this is just all sorts of yuck in there. So she's just going to need to be fully stripped down and rebuilt. And the gasket kit didn't cost too much, but what else are we going to find when we pull her apart? That's the dealio there. There for now. This one unfortunately looked like it was broken. So maybe we can get away with it, maybe not, who knows. It doesn't look any better under there, so there's no point popping it off. We've got this gearbox that old matey reckons is okay. Didn't rave about the motor, which is understandable, I guess. So we'll just we've got to get an engine stand so we can do this stuff. So we might do that the next couple of days, or probably not, because what we're thinking at the moment, we're just gonna. We got all those bits there. That's that mirror, speaker, computer. Sure, that's gonna work. Got the grill, got the door trims, got the window for the glass. And then you got our inlet manifold. Throttle body's there. I did notice, I don't know what it is, but probably a cam position sensor maybe, because I didn't see anything else what that could be, but unless it's a coolant temperature sensor maybe, but that's broken, so that's probably not $100 there. Exhaust system. Muffler looks kind of average, and this ginormous fucking muffler here, which I thought I only got one of, but it only actually has one, so that's okay. We did only get one cat and one header. Oh, we got hubcap each, yay. A pile of plastic trimmy doodah bits there, which may or may not complete the interior. That one over there is off the Mazda. That's Mrs. car, we don't worry about that. This little box of bits and pieces, we've got timing chain, and we've got our inlet manifold there too. The fuel injectors. We don't see any coil packs though anywhere. All this and all that. The balancer there. Broken little pulley there. Yep, good. Some spark plugs. There's spark plugs in it, but anyway, I don't know. They're extra ones. There's an air cleaner there. So we just got a big mess here. So we're probably just gonna fucking clear all this out and pack it away and set it aside somewhere and get the beast in here and fix on that, and maybe fix up the paint on the rocket and sell that, so we got some money to either pump into this, or we're just going to part it out. I don't know. You guys are going to tell me. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it out there and, comment what you think we should do. Sell this fucking thing in bits or burn it. I don't know. Or invest some time and put Humpty back together again, but unfortunately, I wish we had more parts. That's the problem at the moment. So we've got to do a big assessment on what we have, what we don't have, what's good, what's not good. and just evaluate our life decisions and see whether the common Thor is worth it. So, decisions. Yeah. Just kind of don't know what to do. Just don't know what to do. So get on your key sword and give us some tips. If anyone wants to buy a cheap Commodore, might have one for sale. But yeah, let us know what you reckon. Got a video going on the rocket. The whole story, putting that one together. That'll be a bit of a long one. Still waiting on the exhaust from the replacement cat to come for the white oil, because she wasn't right. So just wait on that, so we'll finish off that little saga. We've got an exhaust coming as well, so that'll be good. And we're working on this thing. Or are we? I don't know. Let's have these things. So they tell us it's new. It's new. Right. Just assess this thing. Can you blame it test for it? Something. Who knows? But yeah, like, subscribe, follow along. Just making these stupid car videos. I'll make something else one day, something interesting. Another little project I'm working on. Yeah, still got to fix up the beast too. Get that going. Well, it's going, but it's got a leaky sump and training needs service. Yeah, it's brand new. That's all we got. That'll do. See you next time. Like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what we should do with this thing. Fuck, I don't know.